Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 1977. So let's start. Altar and altar. Altar is a rare structure or platform typically in a religious setting where religious rituals, ceremonies or sacrifices are performed. यानी अल्टर से मुराद आम तौर पर एक ऊंची जगह होती है जहां मजहबी रसूमात, तकरीबात या कुर्बानियाँ अदा की जाती है. इट्स synonyms are shrine, sanctum, sacred place. Example sentences: The couple exchanged vows at the beautifully adorned altar in the church. Altar. This altar means to change or modify something, often making adjustments or amendment. यानी इस अल्टर का मतलब है किसी चीज़ को तब्दील करना या उसमें तरमीम करना. इट्स synonyms are change, modify, adjust, amend. Example sentences: She decided to alter the dress to make it fit perfectly for the special occasion. Opposite and opposite. Opposite refers to something that is highly relevant, appropriate or fitting in a given context. अपोजिट से मुराद ऐसी चीज़ है जो इंतहाई मुतालिका, मुनासिब या दिए गए सियाक व सबाक में मौजून है. इट्स synonyms are apt, pertinent, suitable, fitting and relevant. Example sentences: The professor's opposite examples made the complex theory easily understandable for the students. Opposite. This opposite refers to something that is completely different or contrary in nature, direction or meaning. यानी इससे मुराद कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो फितरत, सिमत या मानी में बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ या उसके बराकस हो. Its synonyms are contrary, antithetical, conflicting, contradictory and different. Example sentences: The two friends had opposite opinions on the matter, leading to a lively and friendly debate. Bear and bear. Bear can be used in different contexts. As a verb, bear can mean to support the weight of something, carry or endeavor. It can also refer to giving birth to or producing offspring. As a noun, a bear is a large mammal. यानी बतौर फ़ेल इसका मतलब किसी चीज़ के वज़न को सहारा देना, उठाना या बर्दाश्त करना है. ये औलाद को जन्म देने या पैदा करने के भी हवाले से यूज़ हो सकता है, इस्तेमाल हो सकता है. और बतौर इसम इसका मतलब रीच है, रीच जो कि एक बड़ा जानवर है. इट्स synonyms are carry, support, endeavor and tolerate. Example sentences: She could not bear the weight of the heavy boxes, so she asked for help. Bear. Bear भी मुख्तलिफ कंटेक्स्ट में यूज़ हो सकता है. As an adjective, it means uncovered, naked or lacking appropriate covering. And as a verb, it means to uncover or expose. यानी बतौर सिफत इसका मतलब है बेपर्दा, नंगा या मुनासिब डामने का फुकदान. और एक फ़ेल के तौर पर इसका मतलब है नंगा करना या बेनकाब करना. Its synonyms are naked, exposed, uncovered and minimal. Example sentences: She walked into the room with bare foot or with bare feet, feeling the cool floor beneath her. Complacent and complacent. Complacent refers to a self-satisfied or overly content attitude, often accompanied by a lack of awareness of potential dangers or deficiencies. यानी complacent से मुराद एक ऐसा खुद मुतमईन शख्स है जो कि अपने आप में मुतमईन होता है, लेकिन उसके आसपास जो ख़तरात या कमियां होती है तो वो इससे आगाह नहीं होता. Its synonyms are self-satisfied, smug, content, unconcerned, pleasant with oneself. Example sentences: After a string of successes, the team became complacent, overlooking the need for continuous improvement. Complacent. Complacent describes a person who is inclined to please others, कोऑपरेटिव और एकोमोडेटिंग. यानी इससे मुराद वो शख्स है जो कि दूसरों को खुश करना चाहता है, उनके मुवाफिक बनना चाहता है या दूसरों की ख्वाहिशात के साथ चलने की आमादगी ज़ाहिर करता है. इट्स synonyms are accommodating, obliging, agreeable, cooperative, willing to please. Example sentences: Sarah was always complacent, readily helping her colleagues with their tasks and making the workplace more harmonious. Confident and confident. Confident means having self-assurance, belief in one's abilities and a positive outlook. यानी इससे मुराद खुद एतमादी, अपनी सलाहियतों पर यकीन और मस्बत नुक्ते नज़र रखने वाला है. Its synonyms are assured, self-assured, self-confident, positive, self-reliant, bold and optimistic. Example sentences. After thorough preparation, she felt confident about acing the job interview. Confident. Confident means a person with whom one shares intimate and private thoughts, feelings and secrets. यानी इससे मुराद वो शख्स है जिसके साथ निजी ख्यालात, एहसासात और राज मुश्तरक हो. Its synonyms are trusted friend, close friend, confident, ally and companion and intimate. Example sentences. Sarah turned to her best friend, a confidant she had known since childhood, to share her deepest concerns and fears. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.